Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy dal. Start by rinsing lentils and toasting cumin and coriander in a dry pan, then sauté onions until deep golden. Add ginger, garlic, and chopped tomatoes, then stir in cooked lentils and water to reach desired consistency. Simmer gently while adjusting salt and acidity with lemon or tamarind. Finish with fresh cilantro and a tempering of mustard seeds and curry leaves for aroma. Warm your spices in oil to unlock their flavor and avoid raw, bitter notes. Combine ground turmeric, chili, and garam masala with whole cumin for complexity. Keep the dal slightly looser than you want because it will thicken as it cools, and mash 1/4 of the cooked lentils to create body without additives. Taste for salt and brightness, then finish with butter or ghee for a glossy, comforting finish that sings with rice or bread. If you're finding this gravy dal guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort and fewer sock emergencies while cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for supporting small recommendations. Now let's get back to the video. Plate gravy dal with a splash of ghee and chopped cilantro for visual and flavor contrast. Pair it with soft rice or warm flatbread to soak up the sauce, and offer lemon wedges for those who like extra brightness. Cool leftovers quickly and refrigerate in a sealed container for up to 4 days. And when reheating, add a little water and simmer to revive the silky texture and mend any separation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.